Frankfurt at the Copperberg event that's all about spare parts in the aftermarket.
There's about 200 of the super large B2B manufacturers talking about spare parts, digitization and the influence of digital for the future.
Let's see if we can find some keynote speakers and market leaders and interview them.
While we're in Frankfurt, lass uns B2B sprechen bitte.
Let's talk B2B. We're here with Duygu Seker from Manitou. So can you tell me a bit about Manitou?
Thank you so much. So Manitou is a company which is around 1.9 billion net sales in 2018. It's a French-oriented company. However, it's completely global. It has 11 different production sites in everywhere in the globe. And also we have 9 different warehouses for the spare parts business.
So how are you approaching transformation at Manitou?
So I can talk about it for hour and hour, but for me the most important, when you want to transform a business, you focus on your people. So when I say people, it's not only your customers, but also your partners, like dealers, suppliers, and so on, and also your own employees that you need to also elevate their talents.
In manufacturing, many people are afraid of Alibaba, Amazon. How do you approach that at Manitou?
So basically for me it's very important to create a value chain. So we shouldn't look only as an OEM to our own position, but we need to really spread it out from the customer to your dealers, and then yourself as an OEM and also your subsidiaries, and then also to your supplier. So for me it's really one-to-one value chain that you need to make it as solid as possible, then nobody can really enter and also break it. So that's why you need to really share the pain and the gain with all of those chains that will survive you in this tough and aggressive market.
So I'm talking to David Windhager from the Rosenbauer Group. I think you have the most exciting project. Tell me about what project is it?
You're absolutely right. We are in the firefighting industry, so we are manufacturing firefighting trucks.
Wow, and I understood that every truck is customized, high-tech. How do you service these trucks?
You're right, all the trucks are tailor-made, and therefore we have a global network, service network around the world. And our main goal is to be available if there is a problem, a topic, whatever.
So is the digital channel growing more and more important to service those trucks?
Yes, it is, especially on the e-commerce side. We can see an increase mainly in Europe.
And that's not only selling spare parts, it's also selling services, right?
Absolutely right, yeah.
One more thing, the firefighting, I think it's a bit of a conservative industry, but within the Rosenbauer Group, I think there's a concept fire truck. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yes, the last years we developed a firefighting truck for the future. It's electric driven, it's completely connected, a lot of sensors we have built in. It's a complete new approach comparing what we have now. And the feedback from the market is incredible.
But many manufacturers are talking about servitization. I understand that you can't buy this truck without having the full support of the digital services, right?
Yes, exactly. So we will sell these kind of trucks only with an all-in service contract with warranty extension for 5 to 10 years, because we have to put our hand on the truck to be sure that the truck is always in the proper shape.
Hey, thanks David for all your insights.